Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Design Team project. Today I'm using the eyelets, gingham, and solids, which goes with the tea time, and I'm using this paper here. I'm also using the spring solids, just using that plain black there. And then the spring 2024, I'm using this gray and this black here, black and white rather. I'm also using the 5x5 card die layers, and I'm just using these two here. The beach gingers 2, I'm using the beach blanket, the beach ball, and sunglasses. Garden gingers 2, I'm using the hat layers, the flower pot, and this tool there. And then these, from the small flower dies, I'm using these two, and then from the foliage dies, I'm using these. And then from the ice cream and snow cones, I am using Have a Wonderful Summer, just that stamp there. And here's the card that I created. I thought I would make like a little beach layout with all of the items that you would take going to a beach. Maybe not the flowers, but it is what it is. So I popped down a couple flowers with the leaves down there. Got the sunglasses, that little hat from the Garden Gingers 2, the little flower pot that I'm using as a pail, and the the beach ball there. And then there goes that Have a Wonderful Summer, which I thought was the perfect sentiment for that. And then there goes that 5x5 card base layer. And I just love this little bow, and I added the little, looks like a little button that I got from the Garden Gingers. Really cute. And there goes the inside of my card, just kind of plain there, but I really like that. I might add some of the flowers because I still had some leftover flowers, so I might pop those on the inside there just to kind of bring the card completely together. But that is what I created for you. And if you like some of these My Creative Time products, you can go ahead and use my code or any one of the design team codes. But my code is MOE for 10% off your total purchase. On release weekends, it's 15% off. And that's all I have for you. Check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.